Yo guys, look at this. This is our. It's like it's Nick Fuentes, but in Lego. Like what the fuck? I never thought I would see this one day, but here it is. It's Nick Fuentes in Lego, and it's probably talking about black people or Israel or something. And well, today that's not the subject of the video. Today I'm going to play Bird Game 3. And yeah, like, it was really a huge game. I don't know what it's doing, but it was a huge game, and now it became a niche game because nobody actually played the game. Well, I will. Today I will. Wait, hold on, give me 5 seconds. Hold on. Okay. How to play? Choose your bird. I don't want to be a hummingbird. Fuck the hummingbird. We all hate the hummingbird. I can use. What? But that's not how I remember how. No, that's not how. Bird Game 3 was. Take off and land. Oh, cool. Back. Well, I think the best way. What? No way. No way. There's no one playing this. But I have to host. That's my Steam change. The fucking hummingbird. Well, I'm a pigeon main actually. Okay, I was pigeon already. Cool. There's. Maybe I can. Yeah, I'm gonna be able to change enter type. Okay, I'm starting this. People will be able to join anyway. Settings, audio, music. Ambience. Yo, why didn't they put it at like 50? Alright. Back. Oh god. Okay, so that's how it is. What? I want to charge. Let me charge. Fuck. Damn it. How did I charge? Okay, well, where's the egg? Where do I steal the egg now? It's good looking actually. Wish more people actually played the game, but maybe one day I will bring people into this game. Okay, that's how you attack. Like I'm attacking. How do? Okay, that's how. Wow. Great. No. There's no. I'm just floating. Anyway. I wanna go fast now. And I can't. Okay. Great. Lobby. I wanna be sorry, guys. I'm going to be hummingbird. Sorry. It's Yeah, I know. Hummingbird is like the if you play Hummingbird, you're from Israel. I know, but that's what I have to test it. One. Wow, okay, I ain't reading all that. I just wanna. Oh, okay, you have to hold it. Okay, but I wanna like. They have to add more game modes, Shift. Okay, that's like the developers, I think, probably are pointing something. I don't know. Oh, well, he isn't really fast. No, and how to change the camera mode? Because I was able to look in front of my bird earlier, but now I just can't. Well, I guess it's just how the hummingbird works. Oh yeah, is that the map with the opium bird? If you know, you know. Okay, I'm not sure what that did. Oh, can yeah, the hummingbird is powerful. That's what they used to say, and it's true. Bro, if actually, imagine if there was player playing this fucking game, but now I'm just stuck alone playing. Quit game. Oh yeah, and oh wait, what? Hold on. Okay, yeah, wait. I wasn't sure if I was recording. Okay, Bird Game 3. Playing this again. I have Bird Game 1. One day I will play this game because it's really niche and it's fuck it up button. No lobbies found. Well, look at this. It says Discord server. I guess they just have a closed community or something. You know, they just play like in weekend and stuff. And maybe I could invite a friend to play. Oh yeah, they all use private and anyway, the pigeon. Oh, is that our dodo? Because our dodo is rare, you know. Okay, you put the phoenix, but you don't put a dodo. What the hell? What the hell, bro? And you put a penguin too. What the hell is wrong with this game, bro? Change team. Okay, yeah, okay, cool. That's cool. That's cool. But what's not cool is no dodo and no one playing this game too. That's not cool. Oh, I guess the penguin is cool. Look at this. Now, I don't know if he's like a tank or something. I mean, oh my god, bro, you're a kamikaze. Oh my. Holy shit, that was cool. That was cool. Let's E. Oh, it heals me. Or like, I think it's, no, it was, how do I type? Is it, what key to types? Hold on, settings, control, bro. Since I don't, okay. Shift, no, look at this. Hello, what? No, sorry. Okay. Okay, so terror nest. There's no egg. You can't even steal. What the fuck, bro? What are you even supposed to do? Well, at least I think I can swim. Because I'm a hummingbird. I'm a penguin. Okay, what is it? Is it really raining? What the fuck? There's. What? Okay, what? This is way better than Bird Game 2, where we are just the sun. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. They have wood, and can you get like thunder if you go too far? Well, holy shit, bro. Bird Game 3. I'm not sure for how long this game was out, but okay, what? Holy shit! Oh, what was that? Oh, it was a thunder. Yeah, you can get the thunder can kill you. And how do I stop floating? Okay, the penguin just have to hit the ground. Oh, but once you click shift, you just stop. But yeah, you can get killed by the thunder. What? X. But okay, no, doesn't do anything. Is there voice chat? I want trash talk in chat. Well, I mean, this is like, this could be good, but just there's no player playing this, bro. Imagine if there was. Well, like Parrot. I never heard of a parrot in bird game. I heard pigeon, eagle, and the eagle men are really toxic, and hummingbird are just fucking Israel player. And raven. Oh, okay. Yeah, the pigeon is just a good. So it's just, reliable. You can get killed with that. I just love the pigeon. Otherwise, there oh, okay. Okay. That's it. Developers. Imagine if there was people playing this game, but there's known playing this game. And there's only 4 map and 1 game mode, I think. Right? Invite. Yeah, no. Bad idea. Anyway. Can you yeah. Okay, I'm forced to fly because I'm stuck now. Unless... No, I can't even charge. Okay, stop. Well, I don't know what this orange thing is. Okay, what the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Yo, that's crazy. Ooh. Okay, that's cool. That's cool, bro. I never played pigeon. I never played eagle before. What? Oh. Okay, well, it's really about offense when you play as eagle. When you play as pigeon, pigeon is just better because you can. Yeah, you have more stats and everything and stuff, But eagle is really offense. I mean, look at this, bro. You can kill people with that and... Well, except... I don't know, bro. This map is so weird. But it's so cool. It's epic. And imagine if there was secret birds on some maps. I mean... Or maybe it's like secret skins. Just skins. That would be cool too. What happens if you go out of bound? Oh, okay. Didn't expect that, but... Okay, cool. Okay, well, if you want to go fast, you have to go as eagle or hummingbird, because like the eagle has 2 capacity to just go fast like that. Look, he's going full speed when you do this thing. And so why not just go under the map, right? Yeah. Oh, what? He has a... Okay, so he has like a slower attack, but more powerful. Yup. Okay, that's cursed. Imagine. Okay, no, we no. Okay, so what is it, like a giant mushroom or something? Wow. Impressive. I mean, it's cool, but if there was people playing this, I will, play this. But yeah, I mean, it's fine for a game. I mean, it's fun. The Bird Game 3 and yeah, okay, I'm a bit disappointed, but I mean, if you give the developers some time, they will add more stuff and it will be more cool too. Because if they just leave it like that, well, now it just sucks, to be honest. But if they had Wait, what was? I had the Yapion bird and more birds, more game mode because I don't want to just kill birds. I want to steal eggs too. Okay, what the hell is just happening? It's like okay, it's the reflect of the water. Anyway, you're not supposed to be under the map. Anyway, that's cool. That's a cool game, but they could add more stuff because now it's just it's weird. Oh, okay. Well, look at this. It's just I have to take a picture. Oh wait, it's night. I think it's night. There's a day-night cycle. Yep, look at this. It's going down. Oh, drow. Okay, there's a time limit. I didn't see the time. Am I still going to get XP for this? Because if so, okay, no. Well, too bad. Okay, why did you? Okay, never mind. Well, I guess it's fine, but it's not as big as the hype it was back in the day when all I could see in my For You page was Bird Game 3 memes. Because the game on with AI looked so much better, but you know, like they did what they could, and if they add more stuff, it will be more cool. Because now it's kind of lacking. Oh, the Phoenix. Well, yeah, I have to try that, of course. Oh, what the okay, you know what? Ooh, cool. And oh, it drains your health. Okay, no, it's you burning. Is it just me? And what is this map? I didn't play this. This is OP, bro. Imagine if you can just because you know I made demo mount in TF2. Even though like I will never play TF2 again because it's run by predators and pedophiles and by the Emporium. But anyway, yeah, I'm in demo mount and you know, I can predict the enemy movements. That's what Demoman do, and I'm really good at that. So like I think this is my favorite bird right now. Oh. When I click and I'm not charged, it just moves the wings faster. Why would you set yourself on fire though? I don't get that. I have to find the developer mark. You know, they always leave a mark somewhere on the map. And why is there stones? Oh, I'm going fast. Okay, I'm disappointed. It didn't do like those planes with the I mean, you have to get the ball knowledge, but there's some game with I don't know what's the game. Like you have a glider, I think that's what it's called, and you just glide in. Oh, I did play this game. Okay, never mind. I think it was like some. And why is this? Okay, well that's a cool detail. The stone change. It's like this during during a thunderstorm, you know. Okay, well I have to try more birds. I can just not play the other birds. The owl. Nobody made this. One. Camo. Oh, Shit, so they can't see me. They cannot see me. Okay, that's great for stealth. Okay, so that's for a sneaky attack. But the E, is it forever? Wow. I guess it's kind of OP. That's cool. So is there a skin of this weird cat in it? Meow. If there is, this game is big. Well, I mean, I guess I did need to see all the skins. Pigeon. Cool. Yep. If you're toxic, you're gonna need to use this. Okay. There's particles. Okay, great. The Raven. Okay, yeah. Let's try the Raven. What is the Raven doing? In me? Oh. I can see them and I can hunt them down or something. Wow, okay. Sorry. Yeah, so this is quite useful. Epic bleed. You can make them bleed. Okay, that's cool. Well, cool. And that doesn't look like a Raven. You know, what about like, you know, the one thing that like TF2, you can in TF2 you can easily recognize what class the other guy is. Well, in this game, with a Raven with this skin, I don't know if you can recognize it. Yeah, maybe because of the shape of the. Yeah, okay, I don't know. Yeah, if you. That's like a kiwi. That's a kiwi. Okay. Yeah, my teachers had the kiwi too. Holy shit. That's cool. They're pirate. Yeah, right, it's galaxy skin or something. Okay, what? Oh, it's done. So like it's a support style, I think. And what the hell? Look at, I mean, to get upon activation, still another burst. What? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. The E. Well, there's no other players, so I can really test this. But what the hell? That's cool. And the skins of the pirates, of course, it's always the same. It's a galaxy skin. Okay, that Cockatiel. It's the last bird we're gonna try. Does the first ability also boost teammate? Do you think? Oh, okay. Wow, okay, that's cool. And I can't use the second ability. I'm clicking on E. I'm clicking. Cool, I guess. This is like Bird Game 1. Sorry, but this is Bird Game 1. Because of the graphics of Bird Game 3. On the AI it looks better. But you know, AI is AI. Okay, this. I don't want to be rude too, you know, but because there's like 20 developers teams. Yeah, there's 20 developers teams making Bird Game 3. So at some point there will be like 20 Bird Game 3 on Steam. I'm going to play all of them, but this one's the first one because it's the first one that came out. but it doesn't feel too rushed, you know. They didn't rush this, I think, because it's actually playable, except for this one ability that I can use. And yeah, what about the Phoenix? Oh, okay, great. Well, this is Bird Game 3, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I don't know, maybe I don't know how you could have enjoyed this, or yeah, whatever. Anyway, see you guys on the next video.